OMS video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will provide you with an overview of the main new features in version 2.5. The main new features in version 2.5 are a complete audiologic data set can now be entered and stored in the patient record, similar to the data stored in NOA. If you are using the Blueprint OMS NOA integration, all audiologic data in NOA will now be available in Blueprint. TIMP data will also be available in Blueprint if you are using a NOA-compatible tympanometer. A text snippet library is now available for creating commonly used text segments in medical reports or in chart notes. Text segments can be dragged and dropped into medical reports or chart notes instead of typing them out. A new time-saving medical report writer is now available using custom templates. Ability to upload forms and templates that can be edited on screen in Blueprint. And the last feature we will cover today is the ability to email a patient directly from Blueprint OMS. Let's have a look at the new patient audiology screen in Blueprint OMS. Let's go ahead and select Create New. Under the Peer Tone section, there is now a placeholder for air, bone, MCL, UCL, and sound fields. Masked and other results can be entered by right-clicking on a data field. Speech-related scores can go under the Speech tab. Impedance information is available, but only if generated through NOA. All audiological data, including audiogram and TIMP graphs, can be included automatically in the medical reports. Now let's have a look at how to manage text snippets used in medical reporting or for chart notes. To view the text snippets, click on the Setup menu on the right-hand side. You will now see a new category called Text Snippets. You have the ability to organize text snippets into different categories created by you. Let's create a new category for our text snippets called Recommendations. If you are in a practice with multiple providers, you can make your text snippets public, meaning that other providers will have access to use your text snippets, or you can make them private so that only you can see and use your text snippets. Select Create. Let's add a text snippet to our Recommendations category. Select Create New at the bottom of the screen. You can then enter in your snippet string. Now you can enter in the abbreviation for the text snippet used for auto replacement in your report. Once you type the abbreviation, the full text snippet will be entered. Set the text snippet as private or public. Select Create. Now let's have a look at the medical report writer and see how the audiologic data and text snippets come together. Let's open up a patient's file. We have just completed a hearing evaluation in NOA for this patient, and the data has been synced back into Blueprint with the NOA integration, which eliminates the double entry. For more information about integrating Blueprint and NOA, please give us a call. Let's click on the client's audiology tab to see the audiogram that has now been sent back into Blueprint. We can now see the complete audiogram that has been sent back into Blueprint. With this audiogram, we can go ahead and we can generate our report either by right-clicking on the audiogram or by selecting Reports at the bottom of the screen. Choose the report you would like to generate. This is a report for the referring physician, and this template comes with a cover letter and a clinical page. The cover letter automatically populates with the physician address and the patient reference, as well as a standard cover letter text. You can edit the text directly on screen in Blueprint by clicking into the cell and adding text. Click out of the cell to save that change. Let's take a look at page 2. On the clinical page in the report, the data has automatically been populated in the report, including the audiogram and the TIMP graph. Now we just need to complete the rest of the report. On the right side, we have a text placeholder for each of the text areas on the report. Let's open up the comment section. You will see the text library on the right. We can open up a text category and simply drag the text snippet into the report. We can also use the auto replace feature by typing in the abbreviation for the snippet, hitting enter, and the full text for that snippet will be inserted. Select save when done. To view the comments we just made on the report, go to that section and you will see all of the reporting that you have done. Once we have completed the report writing, we can, as an option, sign it electronically using the signature pad. Select Sign Document, sign your signature pad, select Done, and your signature will now appear on the report. Our report is now complete and we are ready to send it to the referring physician. You can email or fax the report directly from Blueprint. Select the email and fax button at the bottom of the screen and select your option. Let's fax it to our physician. It will now prompt you and ask if further editing of this report should be allowed in the future. Select yes or lock the form. Choose a title, a category, add any description to the report, set a status if you wish, select save. That will archive the report to the client's documents tab. Now we are ready to fax. If you have the physician information entered into your system, that will automatically populate with the physician's name, fax number, the subject, and you can add any additional notes to this fax. Select next, choose your fax cover page, select preview fax. You can view your fax here. When complete, select send fax and the fax will be sent. The templates used for the medical reports or other forms such as the purchase agreement are fully customizable. Let's take a look at a purchase agreement. This is an example of a purchase agreement with merge fields that are used to pull in the patient information. A list of all the data fields available for auto-populating a form can be found on our website. Standard forms are also available on our website. Once you have created your custom form, you can upload it into the setup section of Blueprint. Let's go back to Blueprint to upload this form. Select the setup menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Choose the template section. Select upload from the bottom of the screen. Find where you have your document saved. Select the document. Give the document a name. Select your category. Choose Save. The form has now been uploaded into your system. For more information about how to create on-screen editable forms in Blueprint OMS, please see our video tutorial on creating and using on-screen editable forms in Blueprint. Blueprint Solutions staff is also available for customizing your forms at a fee. Please contact support for more information. The last major feature is the ability to email a patient directly from Blueprint OMS. Simply click on the patient's email address in the patient browser screen or on the patient summary screen. This will launch your email system with the patient's email as the recipient. We hope you found this Blueprint OMS tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please give us a call.